So kay PBBM, it is very straightforward po kasi he is currently the sitting president of the Republic of the Philippines. Therefore, he has what we call presidential immunity. So yung presidential immunity po during the term of the president, that is absolute. Meaning, hindi po talaga pwede idemanda ang presidente during his term. Okay? So ang pwede lang po gawin ngayon kay PBBM is, let's say, yung ombudsman or kung ano pang ibang government offices mag-investigate. Tapos yung mga records na yun lahat, yung mga documents na yun lahat, i-prepare lang para later on, after the term of the president, doon nila pwede i-file yung appropriate cases against him. May it be administrative, criminal, or maybe even civil cases against him. Pero at present, kay PBBM po talaga, hindi siya pwede makasuhan because presidential immunity po is absolute during the term of the president. So ngayon, ang next question, parang ang unfair naman. Paano magiging accountable ang isang presidente kung meron talaga siyang kalokohan, pero dahil sa presidential immunity, does it mean makatakas na siya from accountability? At ang sagot po dyan is hindi po siya makatakas sa accountability. Makatakas lang po siya sa civil, criminal, or administrative aspect, yung sa kasuhan lang. However, the only way po para matanggal sa office ang isang presidente is via impeachment. Yun yung manner or paraan para maging accountable po siya during the incumbency ng term ng presidente.